problem from theory of equation, and the problem says that if alpha, beta, gamma be the roots of the equation x³ plus px plus q, this is equal to 0, then the value of summation 1 by alpha plus beta is given by 4 option. Okay, we first use the relation between roots and coefficient, and the first relation is summation alpha, this is equal to minus p. Okay, sorry, this is summation alpha, this is equal to 0 because there is no x square term. Okay, so we get this is alpha plus beta plus gamma, this is equal to 0, so we get alpha plus beta, this is equal to minus gamma. We use this result here, so we get this is 1 by minus gamma, so minus summation 1 by gamma, and this is same as minus summation 1 by alpha. Okay, now if we replace x by 1 by x in this equation, we get this is 1 by x³ plus p by x plus q, this is equal to 0, and this relation gives q x³ plus p x² plus 1, this is equal to 0, right? And for this equation we know that the roots are obviously 1 by alpha, 1 by beta and 1 by gamma. Since the roots of this equation is alpha, beta, gamma, and we replace x by 1 by x, we get this relation, and this relation has the root this. And also we use the relation between roots and coefficient, and this gives summation 1 by alpha, this is minus p by q, because the coefficient of x² by coefficient of x³. Okay, and clearly this is minus of minus p by q, so the result is obviously p by q. Very easily we find the relation by proper method. Okay, and our correct option is option number B, this is p by q. Okay, very important problem of theory of equation, but very easy problem of this. Thank you for watching.